Hi, I'm Colin Miller with American Honda, here with the 2020 Africa Twin. One of the cool things about the new Africa Twin is that it's Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth compatible. If you've ever used CarPlay in an automobile, then you know it can be a pretty cool way of safely using some of the convenient apps on your iPhone while operating your vehicle. For example, you can use navigation apps like Apple Maps or Google Maps, entertainment apps like music, podcasts, plus phone and other apps. Note that only certain apps are approved or use on Apple CarPlay will be available. By the way, if you haven't done so yet, we recommend you first check out our overview of using the basic electronic controls on the Africa Twin. Also note that in order to use Apple CarPlay, you will need to have a Bluetooth headset and that your iPhone will need to be plugged in to the bike with a USB cable. The USB port is here on the Africa Twin. Okay, now let's see how to get Apple CarPlay set up. In order to use your phone, listen to audio, or connect to Apple CarPlay, you'll need to connect a Bluetooth headset. In order to do so, go into the main menu, go to Settings, scroll down to Bluetooth, select Headset Pairing, make sure the headset is on, and put it into pairing mode. Select Add a Device, and you'll see the device once it's registered. Select it. After a moment, it'll connect to the device. You can see this one is selected as the rider. You can also add a device for the passenger. Once you've connected a Bluetooth headset, you can then connect to Apple CarPlay. You do have to use the hardwire plug-in. Simply plug it into your phone, select Allow, and then it'll ask you if you want to enable every time or not. Once you've connected to Apple CarPlay, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through different functions of CarPlay, selecting either your music, maps, or whatever other CarPlay apps are approved. If you want to go back to the main screen, simply one quick push of the page down button will get you back there, and vice versa to go backwards. If you want to use the Siri function, simply push forward on the page button and it'll activate Siri, so you can let it know to call somebody, play certain music, or whatever other features you can use through Siri. In order to connect your phone via Bluetooth, that's for an Apple or Android device, make sure the Bluetooth feature is on your phone. You can also go into the menu on the motorcycle. You can do that by selecting the page down button, like we showed you before, or another cool feature about this touchscreen display, simply hit the clock and it'll go into that menu. Select Settings, scroll down until you see the Bluetooth option, select it, make sure Bluetooth is on, and select Phone Pairing. You'll see available devices. Select the device you're looking to pair, select Pair on the device and on the screen. It'll ask you if you want to sync your contacts, and that's up to you to allow that or not. Once that's done, it begins the connection process, and you can see it's now connected for audio and the phone. Hopefully that gives you an idea on how to use Apple CarPlay with the new Africa Twin. It definitely opens up a whole new world of possibilities on your ride, so it's worth playing with. Remember, always refer to your motorcycle's owner's manuals, which is available for free at powersports.honda.com. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ride.